Hey, cool cats and kittens. Slightly different kind of video today. Um, what happened is that one of my fog lights on my Renault Kadjar decided to stop working. So, I'm going to replace it. I look online, especially on the tube. I couldn't find any tutorials on how to do it. I found a guy replacing the front fog light on a Renault Kadjar, which is more or less the same thing as mine. So I thought, well, I always said if I'm looking for something and I'm not gonna find it, I might as well just do a video myself about it. So here we are, a video about replacing the front fog light on a Renault Kadjar. The existing lights, they're halogen. All the other lights are LEDs. So I thought, well, whilst I replace the light bulb, I might as well do both of them and switch them over to LEDs so they match everything else. So upgrading it if you wish. If you don't wish, it's still the same thing. I don't know if this one's work. Again, done some research, got two LEDs, H11/8, so whatever that means. Should be a case of getting access to the light, taking it out, the old one, twisting the new one in, and you're good to go. Will it be though? I highly doubt it, but let's find out. Come on. Replacing the front fog light on a Renault Kadjar, upgrading it with LED spaceship technology, man. I'm telling you. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to drive the wheel over this brick here to give it a bit of height, turn the wheel all the way that way to free up this bit here, unscrew that and that somewhere, and hopefully I'll be able to remove this just enough to stick my hand in there, twist the light bulb out, put the new one in, twist it back in, and well, hopefully it fits. And another thing that could happen, if it fits, if I get that far, it might trigger some errors in the dashboard, and well, that won't be fun either, but let's see if we can get that far, right? Go on, let's do this. Well, turns out, well, here you go, here you are. It turns out I had to unscrew 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. They are not Phillips, they are this sort of, I don't know what they are, something that you'll probably, is it Torx? something like that. Anyway, I managed to use the pliers to unscrew them, but yeah, one from, can you even see what I'm doing here? So yeah, one from here, one from further up here, one from here, one from the mud flap, and another one from, no, that's a mud flap, and another one from here. Squeeze my hand in there, twist, pull the connection out, twist, take the existing light bulb out, stick the new one in. Now I'm gonna get in the car, turn it on, and see if it just blows up on me. And it started raining as well. Oh, joy, that is marvelous. All right, let's see. Hey. We got light. There's light. Now, put everything back together. Do the same on the other side. I'm curious how they look like during nighttime. Well, we're done. Replaced both fog lights, and wow, what a palaver that was. The one on the left side, I'm not gonna say driver's side because I don't know what side you're on. I'm driving on the right hand side, so on the passenger side. It's easy peasy, almost lemon squeezy. But we got there, no problems. It would have been even better if I had the little torque screwdriver thing instead of using the pliers, because they slipped many times and they pinched my fingers and palms many times. But then I moved on to the other side, the driver's side. Oh, and guess what? Joy of joys. I've done the same thing as I've done on the passenger side. No point in showing you. Apart from the fact that exactly in the place where you would stick your hand in to reach the bulb, the container for the windscreen washer liquid is. It just blocks everything. So I've squeezed my hand as much as I could for as long as I could until it started cutting off the blood circulation in my arm. I thought I'm gonna end up without a fog light and without an arm. So eventually I whipped up the tubular set of keys, whatever you call that, you know what? And I used those ones to unscrew. Where's the little fucker? I'm gonna show it to you. Where is it? I can see. Oh yeah, here in the front. This one, I took this one out, and this little bugger, which I didn't manage to put back in properly. But you know what? I can't be asked. And I've lifted this whole thing up and slid my hand like through there, because if you go through here, that's where the water tank is. So I had to take this off, this one, couple of screws on the side there, and stuck my hand through there to reach. Not nice. Not nice. I hope I've done it right, because I don't want to do that again. I probably will. I'll probably fuck something up. But hey, I have two LED front fog lights now to match everything else. Oh yeah, I was thinking about taking a quick video at nighttime to show you how the lights look and add them at the end of this clip. I might do. I might not, so don't hold your breath. You know what the funny part is? Remember how in the beginning I said one of the fog lights stopped working, and then I thought, well, I'll replace both of them and do them with LEDs. Well, the reason why it stopped working is because the connector just came off. If I could have just slid my hand inside there, push it back in, I wouldn't have had to change both of them. But I did now. I've got LEDs. Look at me go. Get in there. They look good. For how long, that's a different story. Yeah, if you want to do it yourself, you can. Oh, just be careful. You need to have some gynecologist DNA in yourself, as you're gonna be sliding that arm into tight places. If you're used to doing that, you won't have a problem. Well, that's me. I'm gonna go wash myself, lick my wounds, and well, I will love you and I will leave you. Ciao, Bella.